video, we will see how to stake WAP and WDeFi inside DeFi.Finance version 2. As a disclaimer, I will be doing all this in a test network using test tokens as well. By the time you are watching this video, you will be able to do it inside the actual network, already functional and running. I'm logged into my account. The next thing is to unlock my wallet to interact with the stake panel. Before that, let's look at the pools available. We have the WAP pool, which generates WDeFi. The WDeFi pool generates WDeFi. The WDeFi pool generates WAP, and the WAP pool that generates WAP. To unlock the wallet, we can do it from any Unlock Wallet button. I indicate that I will connect through the Binance Smart Chain network and use Metamask. I select the account I would like to connect to, click on Next. To finish, click on Connect. The next step is to approve the contracts. I will start with the WAP. I confirm in Metamask. When approving the contract, you activate the plus button for this pool. Now I can place WAP in stake in this pool to receive WDeFi. When clicking on this button, I can see my balance. I will place the maximum amount available with a click on the max button. I remove decimals. To continue, click on Confirm. I confirm inside Metamask as well. As you can see, the 10,000 WAP have been added to stake and I've automatically started receiving WDeFi. To add WDeFi and WAP to any of the other pools, I must approve their contracts. I will show you how to do this. I approve WDeFi. I confirm in Metamask. WDeFi is approved for this pool. I will continue approving WDeFi for the next pool. I confirm in Metamask. Finally, I approve WAP for this pool. Now I can add WDeFi to this pool, for example, but I will add them to this other pool to receive WAP. Click on the plus button. I add the maximum 2. I remove the decimals. Click on Confirm. I confirm in Metamask. This is how we place WAP and WDeFi in stake to receive what it's assigned for each pool. To withdraw from the stake, we must use the unstake button of each pool. I indicate the amount I want to remove from the stake. For this example, I will withdraw half of it, 5,000 WAP. Click on Confirm. I confirm in Metamask. The accumulated WDeFi will be transferred to my wallet when I add or withdraw from the stake. The counter restarts and the WDeFi as well as the WAP has been transferred to my wallet. To add this WAP back to the stake panel, I must click on the plus button. This amount of WDeFi will move directly to my wallet. Click to add the 5,000 WAP. I confirm. I confirm in Metamask. The counter restarts, and the WDeFi have been transferred to Metamask. On the other hand, the WAP has been moved to stake. I can do the same to add or remove WDeFi from stake. To claim the rewards, we have the Harvest button in each pool. I am going to claim the WDeFi generated in this pool. In Metamask, I have the amount of 3008 WDeFi. Click on Harvest. I confirm the transaction in Metamask. The transaction is completed. I can see the WDFI added to my account. In the same way, I can claim this WAP. In Metamask, I have 0 WAP. Click on Harvest to collect them. I confirm in Metamask. The counter restarts. I have received the WAP in Metamask. This is how we place WAP and WDFI in stake. Add and withdraw. We have also learned how to harvest the pools we have active. Finally, we must log out both from Metamask and from the platform.